Hello everybody, today is Thursday, September 3rd. It's 10:05 p.m. Eastern Time. I'm just getting around to making today's video. So before I go any further, first the required disclaimer. Okay, I'm going to bring over the time and sales just to show you it is 10:06 p.m. It's still Thursday. So today was a good day for several systems. Not as good as yesterday, but still some pretty strong returns in the E-mini S&P Super 10 tick chart. And as you can see, I have this system trading around the clock. So here was the performance at the close of the session. And since then, it's had two winners and a loser, and it's just a little bit below its equity high. So it was slightly better than the $5,000 performance that you see here was its equity high, but I had to reboot my machine, and when I did, it was in this long position here, and it had a pretty large winning trade here, which isn't showing up here because I had to change the start time in order to let the system start flat. And when you reboot your machine, you don't want to be in a historical trade. So it actually has been probably would have done better than it looks here. In fact, it probably would have caught this trade and the short and this long too. So probably would have done better than it looks here. Okay, the BWT Superenco 8 tick on the E-mini S&P is coming above its equity highs just by a little bit from the end of the session. So it still finished the regular session strong, but as you can see, it's has a couple of winners here that have just occurred here, and so it looks like the current P&L is around $1,800 or so for the day. This one is trading three contracts, I believe. Let's see here. No, only two contracts on the E-mini S&P Superenco 8 tick. Okay, we had a modest gain in the 10-year Treasury note on a single trade of $343. This is only trading two contracts. This chart has performed pretty well. It's very low risk, but nevertheless doing something. Okay, the 30-year Treasury bond had a great day today. There was two trades, both of them winners. You can see here this is trading two contracts. And there were some other systems that were doing well but deteriorated in the second part of the day. And the chart I'm talking about is the E-mini S&P 15-minute. It was doing great here, but it didn't close this position, and then it had a fake out on the long. It got taken long and gave it all back. So that's all I have to show you today. The rest of the systems either didn't trade or had losing days, hit their loss limits. If you'd like to find out more, you know what to do. Visit our website, send us an email.